Italy, it's a unique country. It's unique in its culture, its tradition, its origin. So, and this is all presented on the Italian products, on clothes, on design, on the furniture. The essence of Italy is the creativity, is the craftsmanship, the tradition they have from the early times. It's a long tradition culture which you can feel while being in Italy for sure, by the gastronomy, by the culture, the way of living of the Italians. And this is very much present in their products, in their culture, in their manufacturing. So being member of as an honorary consul of Alta Gama it's a pleasure, it's an honor, and it's a way to feel close to all the essence of Italy.